New information tonight after a murder conviction was thrown out.
Last night we told you about Robert Hashhagen's murder conviction. It was thrown out because of a sexual relationship between the judge and the prosecutor in the case.
As our Ashley Moss found out, many other cases could see a similar result.
Insiders are calling that relationship the worst kept secret on the bench at the time. And one attorney now tells me it casts doubt on hundreds of other cases because of the potential for constitutional rights violations.
There's always that joke that somebody is, oh, well, they must be sleeping with the prosecutor. Well, this isn't a joke, and it actually happened.
Aaron Thomas Brock was sentenced to 35 years in prison for robbing a Southwest Oklahoma City motel at Knife Point in 2015. But a sexual relationship between the judge who presided over his case and one of the prosecutors cast doubt on whether or not it was tried with bias.
Did somebody receive all the rights that they were entitled to? Were they able to go through the process and receive fair treatment? He did not receive a fair trial. He did not receive a fair sentence.
Brock asked for a new trial and later had his sentence changed.
The judge out of Canadian County found that due process had been violated, that the appearance of the sexual relationship between the prosecutor and the judge could not stand, and reversed the conviction and set it for a new trial. He ended up getting close to time served, but it took him 7.5 years to get there.
But he could be just one of hundreds asking for a second look. Oklahoma County's district attorney's office tells News 4 they've notified other individuals whose cases went before Judge Henderson between 2016 and his retirement, adding that they'll review applications for post-conviction relief as they come in. But the state legislature recently put a 1-year limit on applications.
If somebody doesn't act, they lose the opportunity to raise the issue.
Which means time is ticking for anyone convicted by Henderson to file for new trials.
Correct. And not just the trial itself, but also if someone wanted to plead guilty, did they receive a fair sentence or did they get bullied around? It leaves a stain on the courthouse if somebody doesn't try to clean it up. So there's a lot of cases out there that may never get addressed.
That was Ashley Moss reporting. Gifford tells News 4 one way around the 1-year time limit would be if the DA's office formed a special task force to review those cases.
This could really be far-reaching. Head on over to our website for more of our interview with the attorney, as well as a brief breakdown on the cost of defending a case in court.